All right, back to our Vidly application. This application we have built so far doesn't have a backend. All our data is in the memory. If we make any changes and refresh the page, the changes are gone. So we want to add a backend to this application to persist the data permanently. And that's what we're going to do over the next few lectures. Now, as I told you at the beginning of the course, React is a front-end library. Our focus is purely on building the front end. Backend is an entirely different topic. It requires familiarity with different technologies, and I have a few comprehensive courses about building the backend. So in this section or in this course, we are not going to build the backend. Instead, we're going to use the backend that I have built in my Node course. So if you want to see how I have built this backend line by line, I highly encourage you to take my Node course. That's a very comprehensive course, about 14 or 15 hours long. I've covered everything from the basic to the advanced topics. This backend we're going to use is implemented with Node, Express, and MongoDB. Node is a runtime environment for executing JavaScript code outside of a browser. With Node, we can build web servers that respond to HTTP requests. Express is a framework for building RESTful APIs, and MongoDB is a database management system for storing our data. So, over the next two lectures, I'm going to show you how to install MongoDB on your machine. If you already have MongoDB, feel free to skip the next two lectures. First, we're going to look at installing MongoDB on Mac, and then we'll look at installing it on Windows. Once you have MongoDB, then I will walk you through adding the backend to this application.